And sometimes I find that my food gets stuck to the base of the bowl.
Yep.
And I can't get it off with a normal scrubber.
Yeah, so I think the best tip for that is if you've got something really glued to the bottom, what I do is I use some baking soda and I literally just tip a bit onto the, the stains. Then what I do is I grab either some vinegar or just something that will, that has the acid to activate it, some lemon or something like that. Pour it onto the baking soda and the stain and just let it bubble and activate. And then you can pour a bit of water on there and just leave it for maybe 10 minutes so it can, work its magic. And then just use your brush and scrape it off and it should all come off a lot easier than sitting there and trying to scrub it.
So that was lemon, vinegar, or we've used apple cider vinegar with baking soda.